chicken pizzaiola. I'm gonna put the chicken breast, maybe a little salt. I have here a little salt in to marinate, just like that, with sour milk.
Yum.
Okay. And you put it just like that together. Now, you know, the easy way is you put it in a plastic bag.
And then the buttermilk doesn't get all over the bowl.
Exactly. And you put it in, and you can then take it, seal it, and put it in, but at least it won't go all over the place. You have it in your...
Perfect.
And you put it in the...
Put it in the fridge?
For about 2 hours.
Gotcha.
Okay, and it comes out just like that.
Ta-da!
So here we put it in the bowl. Now, how do we dress it? The good part about this is, and what I like, is that you don't fry the chicken. We're going to bake it. We're going to bake it. So let's make the breadcrumbs. And this is panko.
Yeah, they're big, fluffy, like snowflakes. I like the panko. Or the homemade, of course.
The grana cheese.
Oh, a lot of cheese.
Yes, because that, when it bakes in the oven, it
makes a crust. Yeah.
Crust, exactly. Parsley. And you have some oregano, dry oregano. Now, I have some here, but, you know, I love to use this one. And all you do is just...
rub it with your hands.
Just like that, you see? Just like that.
It falls like green snow.
And this you save, for the next use. And then you just take it, and we'll put it right in.
Oh, it smells so good.
Okay, that's it. Let's toss it. And now we'll bread the chicken one at a time. Just like that. Let's give it a good...
It's so easy, and the house smells so good, and everybody... This is everybody's favorite, right?
Do you know...
a chicken cutlet or a chicken parm, that idea of cheese and bread on chicken, it's so...
And you know what?
Delicious.
For the kids out there, they like all the finger chicken.
The chicken fingers,
You can cut this in pieces.
And make little ones.
The same thing. And
little Italian chicken toes.
There's one. Okay. There's... And, you know, just kind of...
See how she's really pushing it
with my knuckles, so it sticks to it.
So it really sticks all over it.
Like that. Parchment paper is always good because you don't have to clean.
You don't have to clean and scrub the pan.
Exactly. So now, let's
put it in the oven?
No,
don't.
You can put that... No,
yes, no, yes. Put it in the oven?
Yeah, we're going to put some cheese and everything on top of it. So here we have the mozzarella.
Gotcha.
Okay. And you have the grated grana padano. Then it's this guy here.
They've had too many trays.
You know, I appreciate the kitchen help. They're so great.
They're amazing.
And they want to save you any trouble.
Any trouble, I know.
But, you know, Lydia just goes through it.
Yeah.
You know how it is. Okay, so you could use even this, but this is how it ends. So now let's go make the sauce.
Okay, fine.
And the sauce is very simple. You can make it with fresh tomatoes and basil. Let's see, can you...
Sure.
Oh,
got it.
This is tough. Jarred tomatoes. This is a nice jarred sauce. Or you can make it with... I like the chunky jarred sauce, but here I want to pass it very fine.
Gotcha.
Let's put some basil in there.
And a little basil.
Right. And a little bit of salt. Where's the salt?
Right there.
Just add some more. And this is how simple this is. You know, we don't want a little bit of oil. Go ahead. Okay.
Pop the lid. Beautiful.
That's great. So we're going to warm up a little bit the sauce because, you know, the chicken is hot and I like the sauce a little bit hot. Okay.
Beautiful.
But the good thing about this is that the sauce is not really absorbed by
here?
Yeah, put it right on top. That's it. This is a little bit on top. Should we put a little bit on top?
Beautiful.
Just
so
like
simple.
So you see, from the oven, you make your sauce. You can make that before. You can have it in the jar.
It's so easy.
Yeah, and you can have it in the jar. You can just put it in the oven. You can make 4. You can make 8. You can make 12.
20. Yeah.
Exactly.
And it would take the same time. Hey, I want to toast to you.
Okay.
To my friend Lydia, and 38 years. The book is out now. It's wherever books are sold, and I'm going to get mine signed. I love you.